what is this, like, take 4 of your crappiness? Oh, shit. Where's the mess? Okay, take 4.
You're saving all those, right?
Yeah. Well, they're being recorded, so yeah, they're being saved. Okay, I vote we go further down so it doesn't go over by that freaky restaurant place. Dude, we're in like one of the highest floors. Okay. Yeah. Wait, no, fuck.
No, look at that. That's so beautiful. Beautiful, Teddy.
Oh my god, look at it.
This is so
Door. Oh, wow. Wow.
I know.
Wow, really?
It's great.
Really? No, it needs to fall further. Why does it like land right in that little booth down there? Wait, TJ, come here. Oh. Damn it, it landed in the fucking restaurant again.